7 or 9 a.m. So, day 2 ng aking diet. So, ito yung aking meals ng breakfast na fitness. So, titimbangin ko itong aking scramble with rice or fried rice. Ang tawagin. So, yan yung aking scramble with fried rice 0.380. So yan yung measurement ng aking timbang rice. So next natin is, so ito yung aking scramble with egg, tapos yung longganisa. So isang longganisa. So pinagsama ko na. So 0.360. So yan yung aking breakfast today. So wala pa dyan yung aking oatmeal. So wala pa dyan yung aking oatmeal. So protein and carbs yung aking tinimbang. So ang aking breakfast ngayon is dati. So nagkakape ako. So ginagawa ko is Milo na lang yung aking So ito yung aking almusal na Milo. So may protein din siya, mga fitness. So nasa likod yung nutrition packs niya. So yan, nandito sa likod yung nutrition packs niya dito. So kung gusto nyo makita yung nutrition packs niya. So wait lang, kuha ko ng sample. Yan. So energy niya is 97 calories. So yung fat niya is 0.3 grams. Saturated fat niya is 1.2 grams. Trans fat is 0.01. So yun sa protein naman niya is 2.6 grams. Yan. So yung carbohydrates niya is 15.0 grams. Yan. So ito yung aking almusal ngayon. So pinakita ko naman sa inyo yung aking almusal. So protein, scramble with egg, then longganisa, then egg scramble with fried rice, then ito yung Milo. So yun lang, fitness.